questions.
Deputy Chief Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar said the matter of closing down the Mawmluh Cherra Cement Limited is under examination by the government. He also informed that 278 employees are working under the MCCL. Responding to the question raised by the MLA of Nongkrem, Ardent Mbasayamoit, Deputy Chief Minister informed that since the time MCCL started the dry process in the year 2020, the plant has remained shut. Dhar also informed that the government is holding a number of meetings at the level of Chief Minister along with the local MLA, MDC, the CM of Zora and other stakeholders. And he is hopeful that within 6 months they would be able to take the final decision.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to star question 57. A. Sir, the matter is to close down the Mawmluh Cherra Cement Limited plant at Cherra is under examination by the government. B. Sir, the total number is 278.
May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister the amount spent by the government to build the new dry process in the MCCL?
No, Mr. Speaker, sir. The dry process, it was so many items are there and huge amount. So actually that particular information is not me, Mr. Speaker, sir. So I require notice about what is the amount details spent on dry process. Yes, as of now, the plan is running by dry process.
While